Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Go for a sketch. Make a circle of diameter 48 and 30. Make a rectangle of height 24 and the distance of the rectangle corner to center of the circle is 35. Is 24 and 12. With the help of extend command, and make another rectangle of height is 11 mm and the edge to edge distance is 110 and from center is 8. Extend the rectangle and trim with the help of mirror command. And trim remaining portions. And exit workbench. And then select pad, select sketch, and the value of extrude length is 24. Select face for a sketch. Select all the edges separately and convert it into construction line. For finding a center, make a circle of diameter 16 mm and then go for the pocket command and then dimension is up to next and then OK. Our drawing is ready and finished.